Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning channel. My name is Varun, and I am very happy to learn English with you today.
Hello, my friends. My name is Jasmine, and today we have a very fun topic for you.
Yes, today we will practice English at the mall.
Yes, shopping mall English. Very useful English for daily life.
Many people go to the mall.
Yes, for shopping, for food, for movies, and sometimes just for walking around.
Haha, yes, sometimes people go to the mall and buy nothing.
Yes, just window shopping.
Very good expression, window shopping.
Window shopping means looking at things but not buying them.
Very nice. Now, before we start, please like this video.
And subscribe to our channel for more easy English lessons.
We speak slowly, clearly, and simply.
Yes, so you can listen, relax, and improve your English naturally.
Okay, let's begin our English practice at the mall.
Imagine we are walking into a big shopping mall.
There are many stores.
Clothing stores, shoe stores, phone stores, food stores.
And many people everywhere.
Yes, families, children, friends, couples, everybody is shopping.
Now, let's learn a simple sentence.
Very simple and very useful.
You can say, I want to go to the mall.
Repeat slowly. I want to go to the mall.
Again.
I want to go to the mall.
Very good.
Now another sentence.
Let's go shopping.
Repeat. Let's go shopping.
Again, slowly.
Let's go shopping.
Great job.
Now imagine we enter a clothing store.
Maybe you want a new shirt.
Or maybe new shoes.
Haha, or maybe too many shoes.
Yes, some people buy many shoes.
Okay, now listen carefully.
We will learn how to ask for help in a store.
You can say, excuse me, can you help me?
Repeat. Excuse me, can you help me?
Again, slowly.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Very good. This is polite English.
Yes, always say excuse me first.
Now, maybe you are looking for a jacket.
You can ask, do you have this in medium size?
Repeat. Do you have this in medium size?
Again, slowly. Do you have this in medium size?
Nice. Maybe the store worker says, yes, we do.
Or maybe, sorry, we only have large size.
Yes, that happens sometimes.
Then you feel a little sad.
Haha, yes, especially when the shirt looks really nice.
Very true.
Now, let's practice another important question.
One of the most important shopping questions.
How much is this?
Repeat slowly. How much is this?
Again.
How much is this?
Very good.
Maybe you look at the price and say, wow, that is expensive.
Haha, yes, sometimes very expensive.
Especially at fancy stores. Now repeat this sentence. That is too expensive.
Again, slowly.
That is too expensive.
Good.
Now maybe the price is good.
Then you can say, that is a good price.
Repeat. That is a good price.
Again.
That is a good price.
Excellent.
Now let's talk about trying clothes.
Very important at the mall.
Yes, because sometimes clothes look good but do not fit well.
Very true.
You can ask, can I try this on?
Repeat. Can I try this on?
Again, slowly. Can I try this on?
Great.
The fitting room is the place where you try clothes. Repeat. Fitting room.
Fitting room.
Again.
Fitting room.
Nice pronunciation.
Thank you.
Haha, you are welcome, Teacher Varun.
Haha, thank you, Jasmine.
Okay, now imagine you try on a jacket.
Maybe it is too big.
Or too small.
Then you can say, this is too small for me.
Repeat. This is too small for me.
Again, slowly.
This is too small for me.
Or you can say, this is too big for me.
Repeat. This is too big for me.
Again.
This is too big for me.
Excellent.
Now let's go to the shoe store.
I love shoe stores.
Haha, yes, I can see that.
Okay, now maybe you want black shoes.
You can ask, do you have these in black?
Repeat. Do you have these in black?
Again, slowly. Do you have these in black?
Very nice. Now maybe you want another size.
Then you can say, do you have size 8?
Repeat. Do you have size 8?
Again, do you have size 8?
Good job. Now let's learn some useful mall vocabulary.
Yes, simple words for beginners. Store, store.
Shopping bag.
Shopping bag.
Escalator.
Escalator.
Food court.
Food court.
Cashier.
Cashier.
Excellent.
The food court is my favorite place.
Haha, yes, after shopping, everybody gets hungry.
Very true.
Now, imagine we are at the food court.
There are burgers, pizza, noodles, ice cream, everything.
Wow, now I'm hungry.
Haha, me too.
Okay, let's practice ordering food.
Very useful English.
You can say, I would like a burger, please.
Repeat. I would like a burger, please.
Again, slowly.
I would like a burger, please.
Nice.
Or maybe you want pizza.
Then say, can I get one slice of pizza, please?
Repeat. Can I get one slice of pizza, please?
Again.
Can I get one slice of pizza, please?
Great speaking practice.
Now imagine you cannot find your friend at the mall.
Oh no.
Yes, maybe your friend walks too fast.
That happens sometimes.
Then you call your friend and say, "Where are you?"
Repeat. Where are you?
Again slowly. "Where are you?" Maybe your friend says, "I'm near the food court."
Or I'm near the elevator.
Good, useful directions.
Now, let's practice asking for directions inside the mall.
Yes, very important.
Excuse me, where is the restroom?
Repeat. Excuse me, where is the restroom?
Again, slowly.
Excuse me, where is the restroom?
Very polite.
You can also ask, where is the elevator?
Or where is the shoe store?
Very useful questions.
Now, small listening practice.
Yes, listen carefully.
Excuse me, where is the bookstore?
It is on the second floor.
Very good.
Again.
Excuse me, where is the bookstore?
It is on the second floor.
Excellent.
Now let's talk about sales and discounts.
Everybody loves discounts.
Haha, yes, especially big discounts.
You may see a sign that says 50% off.
Very exciting words.
Then you can say, wow, this is on sale.
Repeat. This is on sale.
Again, slowly.
This is on sale.
Nice.
Maybe you buy too many things because of discounts.
Haha, yes, and then your wallet cries.
Poor wallet.
Haha, yes.
Okay, now let's continue.
At the cashier, you pay for your things.
The cashier asks cash or card.
Repeat, cash or card.
Again, cash or card.
Then you answer card please, or cash please.
Very simple. Now, maybe the cashier asks, do you need a bag? Repeat. Do you need a bag?
Again, slowly.
Do you need a bag?
Then you can answer yes please or no thank you.
Very polite English.
Now, let's practice a full mini conversation.
Yes, final practice together.
Excuse me, can I try this on?
Yes, the fitting room is over there.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
How much is the shirt?
It is $20.
Okay, that's a good price.
Yes, maybe buy 2 shirts.
Haha, maybe.
Very good, everyone.
You are learning real English step by step.
Yes, simple English for real life.
Now, let's talk about window shopping again.
Yes, very common at the mall.
Sometimes people walk around and look at things.
But they do not buy anything.
That is window shopping.
Repeat. Window shopping.
Again, slowly.
Window shopping.
Excellent.
Now, small question for everybody watching.
Yes, think carefully.
What do you usually buy at the mall?
Clothes, shoes, books, food, phones?
Maybe ice cream every time.
Haha, yes, some people always buy snacks.
Write your answer in the comments.
We would love to read your answers.
Yes, definitely.
Now, let's practice pronunciation a little more.
Slow and clear pronunciation.
Shopping mall,
Shopping mall.
food court,
Food court.
fitting room,
Fitting room. Discount. Discount.
cashier.
Cashier.
Wonderful.
You are doing amazing.
Remember, do not worry about mistakes.
Yes, mistakes are normal.
Everybody makes mistakes while learning English.
Even sometimes we make funny mistakes.
Haha, yes, true.
One time I said, I want to eat the menu.
Oh no, not the menu?
Yes, only the food, not the menu.
That is a funny mistake.
But mistakes help us learn.
Exactly.
So relax and keep practicing.
Now, let's do one final shopping conversation.
Yes, final practice together.
Hello, can you help me?
Of course. What are you looking for?
I am looking for a black jacket.
What size do you need?
Medium, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. Can I try this on?
Yes, the fitting room is over there.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
How much is it?
It is $40, but today it is on sale.
Wow, great. I will take it.
Excellent choice.
Haha, thank you.
Very nice, everyone.
This is real English you can use at the mall.
Yes, simple, practical, and useful English.
Practice these sentences again and again.
Listen, repeat, and speak loudly.
The more you practice, the more confident you become.
Yes, confidence grows step by step.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
We are very happy you joined us.
Tell us in the comments.
What is your favorite store at the mall?
And what do you usually buy?
We cannot wait to read your comments.
Please like this video if it helped you.
And subscribe for more easy English conversations.
Keep practicing every day.
Keep smiling and keep learning English.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye everyone. Take care.